Agriculture in Rajasthan. In GSDP at constant price, agriculture weightage is 26.21 and growth rate is 2.13%. At current price, its weightage is 26.72% and growth rate is 9.64%. Land use pattern in Rajasthan. Total area 342.8 lakh hectare. Net sown area 53.74%. Cultivable wasteland 10.39%. Forest 8.09%. Barren uncultivable land 6.89%. Miscellaneous tree and groves 0.09%. Average size of land holding in Rajasthan is 2.73 hectare. Land holding pattern in Rajasthan. Marginal farmer hold less than 1 hectare are weightage 40%. Small farmer hold 1 to 2 hectare of land are 22%. Semi and medium 2 to 4 hectare, their weightage is 8.50%. Medium farmer, their weightage is 4 to 10 hectare, their weightage is 15%. Large farmer hold land greater than 10 hectare, their weightage is 4.6%. So the weightage of medium and large farmer is decreases while the marginal, small and semi-medium farmer are increased constantly. Rajasthan is first in bajra, mustard, total oilseed and guar. Second in Nutri-Siller and groundnut. Third in total purchase gram, ज्वार and सोयाबीन. एग्री बजट 2022-23 समर्थ किसान खुशहाल राजस्थान. सीएम बीज स्वावलंबन स्कीम started in 2017 in Kota, Udaipur, Bhilwara in 2018-19 in overall state. And seed mini kit are given to female farmers at free. To popularize the newly released variety, micronutrient mini kit soil health card. PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana is under horticulture department 60-40 ratio construction of one part. The PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana micro irrigation is drip, sprinkle and micro irrigation. Nation mission on agriculture extension and technology have 3 submission. 1. Agriculture extension. 2nd. Seed and planting. 3rd. Agricultural mechanization. The National Mission on Agroforestry 2017 was started by combining National Micro Irrigation Mission, National Organic Farming Project, National Soil Health and Fertilization Management, Rain-Fed Area Development Program. PM Kusum Yojana is started in 2019. New and renewable energy. First plant in Baloji, Kotputli. Solar pump ranging from 3 horsepower to 10 horsepower capacity. 1 lakh for setting up solar pumps. Here 30% by central government, state government give 30%, bank give 30% to farmer as a loan and 10% is added by farmer. Kisan Kaleva Yojana started in 2014. Food at 5 rupees. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule Mandi Shramik Kalyan Yojana started in 2015. It gives pregnancy assistance up to 2 pregnancy for 45 days of labor as non-skilled labor. Marriage assistance for herself and 2 daughters with 50,000 rupees. Scholarship up to if his daughter and son get 60% more than 60% mark is given scholarship. Medical help of 20,000 and parental leave equivalent to 15 days. Krishak Upahar Yojana on e-Naam portal. The farmer get coupon of sale of 10,000 then he given Krishak Upahar.